everyone, welcome back. If you're new to our channel, we're Garcias on Wheels, and we're a family that lives full-time in a fifth wheel. We're a family of 2, soon to be 3, and this is part 1 of building our nursery. And in this episode, we are building the crib. And by we, I mean Reno and his dad. They're both handy, they're both crafty, and take a look at this footage.
Eating it though, dip flush.
I think a 1x6 would be fine, and then we could always put a gate on top of that. That's a good idea. So we're talking about the front face being a 1x6 instead of a 1x4, so that there's a little bit of a lip there, so that you can't roll out if, say, you have the gate open while you're doing something.
So 14 angle brackets.
Okay.
You know what I'm talking about?
Tucker.
Hey.
Tucker.
Here, let me write this down.
You don't take no for an answer.
You know, you dogs all smell like dog. How come? And I know you're clean.
How you feeling about your crib project over here?
We're about to find out.
We're gonna find out how this is gonna come out, because neither one of us have ever built one of these.
There you go.
But you got your plan?
Yeah, we think we have a plan.
I think it's gonna work. I'm confident.
So the plan is made and we are headed off to Home Depot, not Lowe's, because Home Depot has the tool. I was gonna say Lowe's. So we are now home from Home Depot and they are attempting to find a metal stud.
Nope.
The wood is cut, and now it's about to get all put together.
Are you pretty excited about it?
We'll see.
Did you go to Lowe's yet?
We've had one, yes.
We haven't gone for our second trip. That's how it goes when you build things. You go to the store, and then you go back to the store and play with the other stuff.
Yes, we went to Home Depot. We're building right now. Sorry.
Do you feel confident in your building skills, Senior?
Yes, I don't feel comfortable how we're going to attach it to the wall.
Just yet?
That's what I'm concerned about. Building, yes, no problem. Ready? We put all the cross pieces in.
Okay.
Or we put the cross front and then put the cross pieces in.
I'm not gonna say this thing is straight.
Because I'm going to cut that front board 71 and an 8. So it better fit.
Do you think it's gonna fit?
It'll fit.
Sure. Definitely, it's gonna fit one way or the other, huh? Who knows?
Am I gonna end up with that mini crib?
I hope not. But there is one on Facebook Marketplace.
There you go.
Problem. No problem. As long as you can get up the stairs, we got it. Oh wait, I got a chair going with me. Okay.
A chair.
Now you're in a pickle.
No, you can go. Can't you?
Nope. You gotta keep going that way.
You're gonna ruin that lamp.
A little bit more.
That's all we got.
Why don't you back up straight?
Yeah, turn it. Twist it. Cut this thing straight.
Yeah. Oh, what if we tilt it? Oh, yeah.
Oh, that lamp's gonna go.
How about we just take one leg off? Hello? think so. Yeah. Well, I don't know. We're kind of just gonna set it in right now that I think I'm done for tonight.
It fits just fine.
But wait, that's backwards.
Piece of
I'm
cake.
telling you, we're gonna have to take a leg off.
No, because this side is where the space is on this side.
Piece of cake. So where are we at right now?
Right now, we have to attach this back leg to there.
To there?
That's where we're at. Okay, so we ran into a bit of a pickle yesterday when we were working on this here thing. The plan we had for the doors is not going to work. So what we did is we bought a used crib and we ripped it all apart. So here is a side of a crib. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take this closet rail and we're going to put it up here like that. We're going to cut this and make 2 equal-sized doors, and then they will slide back and forth just like a closet door. So they can slide out of the way, put the kid in, close back up, and then we'll latch them somehow, which we don't have yet, but we will get to that. That's what I got. We made these nifty little things so the child cannot fall out. So we're still working on getting them latched, but now we are ready to paint. So that's the next step.
What color are you painting it, honey?
White.
White? Nice.
More white.
More white.
Well, because all the decorations are going to be colors and stuff, so there's no reason for this to be a color. I really don't need to paint this, but I'm going to because if it gets wet, then that'll suck.
Right here, right here. Somebody got paint in his hair.
No, I would never do that.
I think you would.
Maybe.
So the reason you don't see me a lot is because I am actually getting the B-roll shots. Yeah. So this nursery is coming along right now. It's super exciting because we're building it. It's not just we're putting a crib and something in there like we were originally gonna do. We're actually building it to make it custom to our lifestyle, and that's what's cool about RVing is that you get to do that. You have to figure out what works for you. That way it's customizable, and that's what's super fun.
My process so far is painted white.
How's it going?
Other things are white also. I've got my shoes, my shirt, my hair, my hands, and the floor.
Nice! And the wall, don't forget about the wall.
Oh yeah, painting the wall too.
Okay. Hey, Mr. Hack, why you keep painting the wall?
I don't mean to. Accidente.
It's okay. It wipes off, right?
No.
No, it doesn't. Okay. Good talk. It's underneath. They won't see it.
This one's underneath. Okay, everything is painted. It's all together. We're still waiting for the mattress to come in, so I can't show you that, but this is it. We have doors that open up, and then there will be the mattress in there and a baby. And then we'll close it up. We're still working on the latch because what we got for a latch doesn't work, which you don't even know that yet, but we're still working on that. And then underneath here will be dressers and then little play area. Not for me because I'm too tall. But for something, I think that's what I got.
So I am very surprised by this and how much I actually like it. At first I was a little, is this really gonna work? I couldn't see the full thing, and now that it's here, I actually really love it, and it does work, and I love that I can have more space underneath, which is what we were going for. Space! Especially in an RV. So if you've enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and check out others like our last sim video, and we'll see you on the next one.